Tesla cracking pre-market lows. That's at 162 low a day. AMD cracking. AMD cracking. Looking at that 89.40. 89.65. Is that 33 against 65? 30 cents. Went ahead and put an offer out here for AMD. Let's look at TSM. Let's set a new low a day on AMD. TSM cracking. Let's put an 87 low a day there. AMD coming in. There's Nvidia on lows. AMD on lows as well. Coin hitting lows, pre-market lows. Let's set a new alert there. Switch back to Nvidia. Let's see if Nvidia does anything interesting here. Nvidia is daily broken. Tesla lows, 161 low a day. I want to go back to Nvidia. I don't see anything on Nvidia. Let's see if AMD can pop above 89. Here's 89 coming up. Nvidia popping, Amazon starting to come in now. Here's the 9:45 numbers coming up in about 6 minutes. Amazon coming in, Tesla continuing to hit lows. Tesla, AMD not able to pop. I'm going to stay patient up here though. If I'm going to get this short, I want it to be up here, not down here. Market's not breaking down from its pre-market areas though. Tesla coming into new lows. Let's look at Amazon, pre-market range. Apple hovering just above its pre-market range. Here's AMD above 89. Can it get a push up to the 30s? No. Give it a little bit more time. Apple staying quite strong. 65.30. Nvidia's daily is broken. Microsoft pre-market levels, Meta pre-market levels, BABA pre-market levels, TSM. Let's look at coin. Coin breaking down. It's at a 60 low a day. Netflix just chopping. Tesla popping. Amazon. Apple. Apple sitting at highs. Apple pennies away from highs. And BABA cracking, and BABA's daily very broken. And this AMD can knock it up. And it's pennies off of lows now. BABA. New lows. Don't really have a trade here for BABA yet. If this curve builds out a little bit more, then that might have a trade. TSM lows. Just watching this BABA build out. Almost wondering if these 20s on BABA just below the 20s. Here comes AMD. Can it pop up? It's in the teens. Can it pop up? Did not get any AMD there on that push. It got up to 22 cents. Gonna put some BABA out here in the 20s as well. Apple went to highs. Need to keep an eye on that. BABA. BABA above the hole. AMD very close to filling me. And I'm on the offer here. I did not get it. Did not get it in AMD. What did that get up to? 38 cents. It actually executed at 38 cents. I'm gonna move down to 35. Got a partial there. Did get it. I am short AMD here at an average price of 35 cents. I could have gotten the 38s. It popped up a little bit higher. Stop is above 60 something cents. We're looking for a move back down here, down to below the hole. Let's see what we get. Also have BABA out here. Oh, that got close. I was at 21 cents. It got to 18 cents. Wow. Can this AMD come in? The BABA came in. Can AMD come in? Let's switch out to a 2-minute here. I want to see what this looks like as it comes in. There's the 20s. Can AMD get back down to 89? BABA, I think I missed that trade, so I'm going to remove those. I think I missed that. That was a pretty nice little spot there on BABA. And it looks like it's going to head back down to lows. Let's see what AMD can do. Is there still more selling in AMD? And what did Apple do? Apple went to highs and then collapsed, and we got numbers coming here, PMI, in about 30 seconds. What did Baba do? PMI in 30 seconds. In case we get a big flush down here, I'm going to have an order sitting down there. Here's PMI. Here's the number. And what are we going to get? They're moving higher here. I might get stopped out on this. Baba exploding higher. AMD coming into the teens. Did not really get down below there though. I was looking for a move back down to the hole. Let's see if we can get down to the hole. 17s, 16s, they're selling it a little bit, but it keeps getting a spot down here in the teens. It won't go down below there, which is concerning. Let's see if we can get a little bit further. No, and they're right back up. Market trying to disseminate that PMI data, I think. TSM is on lows. Yes, it is. That thing, I had that thing watching here, and I didn't take it because I thought it was moving so slowly. But look at that go. Second day play. And this AMD is just not working. And now it's popping up, and I might get stopped out here on AMD. Not what I wanted to see on AMD. And then it fluxes back and forth. I think I just need to sit still and let this thing come in, if it's going to come in, or stop me out. Market trying to tick up. It got down to the high teens last time, but it's not making any forward progress either. Every time it got down to the teens, though, to the low 20s and teens, it got bought up. TSM continuing lower. Let's take a look. Tesla, Choppy. This AMD is not working. This short. Tesla, Choppy. Amazon coming off of its highs. Apple coming off of its highs. Nvidia pop back up into its pre-market range. Baba. TSM on lows. Meta in its pre-market range. Coin actually hanging out below its pre-market lows. Coin, I do have an alert here in 2 cents. Microsoft, Netflix, Apple coming in. TSM, wow. Coin drops 60. Just looking on TSM if there's anywhere I can participate. Coin drops 60. Here's AMD coming to the teens. Can it get actually below here this time? Going once. Can we crack? 16s. Can we crack? 14s, 13s. Can we actually get down? No, every time. Every time we get down here, we have trouble. Market's coming in. I'm about to take off a bunch of the position here. Market's coming in, and this thing is just not coming in. 16 cents, 20 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna take off some here if I can get filled at 20 cents. I can't even get filled at 20 cents. I pulled it. Feels like it wants to crack, but it's just not going. 14s, 12s, 11s, and then rebids again. Gonna take some there. Still have a little bit left, and then of course it goes. Let's see what we get. Can we crack that hole? I took it at 19 cents and immediately drops 20. I still have a third of my position on. Let's see if we can crack this hole. I just couldn't leave it on anymore. We're scalping here today. Market is coming in. We're not dropping this hole. And there's the drop of the hole. Comes in. 90s. I'm just going to take it right there. Just took it. I got 98 cents out of AMD. Not great market conditions, to be honest. Be interesting to see if AMD hits lows and follows through. Unfortunate that I dumped the size there, but it just wasn't making downward progress. And we're scalping here today. Things have been so choppy. You have to take some profit off because it just whips back on you.